Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard key not working on Windows 11. So first you can try to use quick diagnostic test. So you can test in different apps, like you can try to open Notepad, browser, Word kind of applications and check if it is a specific key or entire keyboard is not working, or you can try on screen keyboard. Just go to the if some of the keys are working on your keyboard, you can follow the these other methods, but if your computer keyboard is entirely not working, you need to change the other keyboard. Then after you can follow this method to fix the minor issues on the previous keyboard. So first you need to press Windows and R on your keyboard. Then after you need to type services.msc like this, then tap on OK option. Okay, in this menu you need to find touch, keyboard and handwriting panel service. Scroll down a little bit. Yes, it is right here. Simply tap on it, right click on it. If the restart option is available, you can simply tap on it, or you can refresh that one. Again you need to find human interface device option. Scroll up little bit. Yes, it is right here. Right click on it again, select the restart option. If it is not working, you can update or reinstall the keyboard drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager, expand the keyboard section, select the keyboard that the issue is happened, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it says already installed, simply close this one. Again right click on it, go to update drivers, select the second option, select the let me pick from a list option, select the already existing driver from this list, select the next option. It will be reinstall the already existing driver. If there is issue with the existing driver, it will be fixed. And if it is not working, right click on it again, go to uninstall device, tap on uninstall, and it will be removed from here, and you need to restart your computer, then it will be automatically installed. And the next method is you need to find the accessibility setting. To do that, go to start menu, then go to setting. In the left side menu, go to accessibility, and right side menu, scroll down and find the keyboard option. You need to turn off all the sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys like this. Then you can close this one. And next method is you need to run the keyboard troubleshooter. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, select the system option, right side menu, scroll down, go to troubleshoot option, select the other troubleshooters, find the keyboard. Yeah, it is right here. Simply tap on run option. It will be find the issues. If there is no issue, it will be show like this. Then after you need to check the physical issues. You can clean your keyboards. If you are using laptop, you can connect the external keyboard, then try to use that one. And you can try different USB port if there is a desktop computer. So if that also not working, you need to find the system file and malware checking. To do that, you need to first open command prompt by just go to search bar and type cmd, right click on it, select the run as administrator option, tap on yes. In here you need to type sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will take some time to scan your entire system. If there is an issue, it will be automatically repair for you. So next method, you can try to clean boot. To do that, you need to press Windows and R on your keyboard, and you need to type msconfig like this. Select the OK option. Go to the services tab, tick the hide all Microsoft services option, tap on disable all option. Once it is disabled, you can again go to startup option, click on open task manager, select the all enabled application that are currently on the startup section, simply tap on disable option like this. And then after you can go to start menu again and go to setting to check your language. Then you need to find the time and language in the left side menu, select the language and region. Ensure you are using correct keyboard. layout. If you are in US or UK, you can select the UK keyboard. If you are using other country, you can select the add a language option and select your language from here, because different keyboard had different keyboard layouts, so you need to make sure you are using correct keyboard. And the final method you can try it using power management fixing. For that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager again. You need to expand the keyboard, right click on the keyboard and go to properties, go to the power management section, uncheck allow computer to turn off this device to save power. If this option is available and ticked, you need to untick that one. Now in my case it is already unticked, so there's no issue. If it is ticked, you need to untick that one, tap on OK. So these are the methods you can try to fix your keyboard related issues.